Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about variables. A memory can be visualized as 2D array of cells which actually holds binary data. Each cell holds one binary value. In most of the modern CPU, bundle of 8 consecutive cells are given an address. One cell represents one bit and collection of 8 bits are called byte. Each byte has address. If we want to store some value on memory, usually the smallest memory size can be allocated to store that value is 1 byte. For example, a character variable in C gets 1 byte. Let's convert this character A to ASCII binary. And this is how it is stored in the memory. Let's say this is the address of the byte. In case of integer, its size is 4 byte. So it will get continuous 4 byte memory. In total, 4 multiplied by 8 equals 32 bits or cells it will get. Let's say we have to store integer 17, which equals to this binary. To store 17, we just need 5 bits, but we got 32 bits. So it will populate 5 bits and will set the value of the rest of the bits to 0. Here I want to add one more thing is that whether we should set a value to the bytes from left or rightmost byte, it depends on the type of Indian your CPU supports. Here for simple visualization, I populated values from rightmost byte to the left, which is an example of big Indian. This Indianness is topic for some other video. Now coming back to this integer, the address of this integer is the address of its first byte from left. Let's give a name to this memory block. When we give a name to a memory block or a location used to store a value and we can access or modify that value using the name, that name is called variable. If we want to fetch the value using the variable, then we just need to call its name and it will return its value. If we want to fetch its address, then we will need to call ampersand variable name. To give instruction to CPU that how much data it should read from that starting memory address, we use data type. So based on the data type of the variable, CPU will read that many bytes from its starting byte address. And that data type also tells CPU how to interpret its byte. That's all about a variable. If you have any question, feel free to drop your question in the comment section. Like this video if this helped you and subscribe for more videos.